Hello everybody. I wanted to take a minute to update because in the mail today came this guy. So I'm pretty excited about it. It's my Arduino Nano 33 IoT, and if we I was going to do a little bit of an unboxing type thing, so to see what's in it. I just got it today. First time I've seen one in person. I've been doing my planning for it, and I get to start doing some physical implementation with it soon. So there it is. What else we got in here? We got our typical Arduino stickers. All that fancy information, that stuff no one ever reads. But you're welcome, Arduino. That's all in there. Some nice little information here on the back. Quick overview of the capabilities of it. Nice little picture of it, typical Arduino fashion. And then we've got our little chip in it. Let me tell you, that is jam-packed in there. I've never seen an Arduino with so much stuff jam-packed in there. But a different little take, and I guess I can see why they did it. The headers are on the bottom this time, because looking at how tight it is, if it was coming up this way trying to fit something on it, you would end up running into what is that there? I guess that's part of our transmitter, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Haven't really looked into too much detail. I can't see what's going on there, but who knows. We'll learn more about it, learn what everything is, look down in it. But I wanted to take a look at it. We've got our USB-C, first single board computer that I've had with USB-C. Thankfully I have one here at the school and at home as well, so we get to start playing with this soon, which the nice thing, it'll fit down in my breadboards nicely, and I can go from there, quickly prototype stuff. That is all for this time.